residential street in Tehran, under 10 million people who had no idea it existed, Iran built an underground fortress. So deep, so fortified, that the men who built it believed nothing on earth could destroy it. But they miscalculated. This wasn't a shelter, this wasn't a reinforced room, this was a city beneath a city, stretching under entire streets of civilian Tehran, hidden entrances, wide corridors, command chambers built for one purpose: to let Iran's supreme leader run a war from underground while the surface burned above him. The engineers calculated the worst case, asked the hard question, how many bombs to break through, built it to survive that number, then built it stronger. For decades, it kept its secret until it didn't.
הרמטכ"ל אישר את המשך תוכניות התקיפה של מבצע שאגת הארי ואת הפעילות ההתקפית נגד ארגון הטרור חיזבאללה. לאחר פינוי נרחב של הכפרים בדרום לבנון, אתמול פרסמנו הודעת פינוי לרוב הדאחיה בביירות. במהלך הלילה, מטוסי הקרב של חיל האוויר השלימו גל תקיפות נרחב בדאחיה נגד מטרות רבות של חיזבאללה, בהן מפקדות ומחסני כלי טיס בלתי מאוישים.
3 Israeli intelligence units were given the problem. Unit 8200, Israel's Signals Corps, one of the sharpest on earth. Unit 9900, specialists in visual intelligence, geospatial mapping, seeing what cannot be seen, and the IDF Intelligence Research Division. Putting it all together, they didn't just find the bunker, they rebuilt it from the outside in. Entrance by entrance, passage by passage, and room by room, until they knew it better than the people who designed it. When the map was complete, Israel moved. Ayatollah Ali Khamenei ruled Iran for 36 years, outlasted 8 US presidents, survived sanctions that crippled his country, buried his enemies. He built the Revolutionary Guard into the most feared institution in the Middle East, commanding the military, the missile program, a shadow economy worth hundreds of billions, 3.5 decades of threats. Khamenei didn't blink. The bunker was the physical expression of that certainty. Whatever you throw at Iran, we survive. During the opening strikes of Operation Epic Fury, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei was killed. He was 85. Iranian state media confirmed it. Trump announced it publicly. Tehran declared 40 days of mourning. The bunker built to save his life. He never reached it. After his death, senior regime officials moved underground and kept operating from the bunker. They assumed it was still safe. Wrong. "50 Israeli fighter jets launched simultaneously, more than 100 precision-guided munitions, all aimed at one target. Not a raid, but a siege from the sky."
חשבו שמדובר במקום מוגן ובלתי חדיר. הם טעו. לפנות בוקר תקפנו אותו בתקיפה עוצמתית. 50 מטוסי קרב תקפו באופן מתואם ומשולב את המתחם ביותר מ-100 חימושים.
Every bomb calculated to go deeper than the last, punching through concrete, steel, compacted earth, because this bunker wasn't built to survive 10 bombs or 50. So Israel didn't send 50, they sent over 100. Wave after wave, same coordinates and relentless assault. When it was over, the IDF confirmed it. The bunker was gone, Iran's deepest, most protected command center, destroyed. And this was just one strike of many. US B-2 bombers hit buried missile sites deep inside Iran. Israel took out most of Iran's air defense grid. A US submarine sank an Iranian frigate near Sri Lanka. A drone carrier, Iran's floating weapons platform, caught fire in open water. Iran fired back. Missiles and drones at US bases across Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain. This is not a confrontation. This is a war. The bunker was the regime's ultimate guarantee, proof written in steel and concrete underground that the Islamic Republic would always survive, always endure and always continue. That guarantee is gone. Khamenei is gone. The bunker is gone. A regime that ruled by projecting unshakable, permanent strength is now fighting to prove it still exists. What comes next? Who leads Iran? How far this goes, nobody fully knows. But this much is clear: the Iran that existed a month ago is gone.